What's up? Rotten DNA. Here, Chaz.
Logan.
Logan. To all of our DNA Nation fans out there, we're going to be doing ramen noodles. Now, this ain't your typical American ramen noodles. These are all in Japanese writing. Hawa ramen. Ramen. Bitamene. So, we got the ramen noodles, and this is, I guess the challenge we're going to be doing is trying to eat all of this, okay? It's all Japanese, it's all spicy ramen.
Yes.
In case it's not hot enough, I got a little surprise for it. If it isn't, but it might be, so.
Yes.
We got our chopsticks.
Our bamboo chopsticks.
We're going to try to eat noodles with bamboo chopsticks.
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna open these bad boys up. We got a bowl I think is big enough.
Hopefully.
But if not, maybe we'll do a couple trips. I don't want to.
Yep.
So the outside of the package looks like this. Okay? The inside of the package, basically the same thing. Just saying it's hot, spicy noodles.
Yes. So we're gonna open these up and put them in the a little, what is it, a basket? Or
Yep,
like that.
this
Yeah.
bowl.
Bowl.
Then we're gonna put water in the bowl and we're gonna heat this shit up, and it's gonna taste fucking good.
Yes, hopefully. This is our first time using chopsticks, so it's gonna be a learning experience.
Yeah, it's gonna be like dancing with two left feet.
Yeah.
And I have the two left feet.
I use a chopstick sometimes, but not that often.
Alright, we got 3 of these bad boys open. These are some good sized ones.
Yes, they are. They should have seasoning packets. Yep. Alright.
Got seasoning packets.
Yep. To make them more spicy.
Alright. So it looks like we're only going to be able to fit 4 in this bowl.
Yeah. But we're going to eat as much as we can. And yeah.
Yes.
Or
So,
however amount.
we're going to get ready to pour water in this bowl.
Yep.
Okay, let me get some water. Going old school noodles. Alright. And it's time for us to put this in the microwave. See you in a bit.
We'll be right back.
Rotten D, what is up? Rotten DNA Nation. Rotten DNA. Chaz is back. We're cooking up some ramen noodles. And that's what we have. We have 4 packages of them. Spicy Japanese noodles. Alright, so I'm going to put you right back where you go. Get that nice sexy picture of me. Okay. And I'm going to sit back down, man.
Yes.
So, we have our noodles in front of us. This is 4 packages. And now we're going to try to devour as much as we can.
Yes.
I got something a little bit here. I am going to be Daniel-san. You're going to be little grasshopper.
Okay.
Wow. Alright. Getting our chopsticks out. 10 minute. 10 minute my ass. That took a while. Alright, so I'm going to... Got my chopsticks in hand. Yeah, I'm not sure if this shit's gonna happen with these chopsticks.
I think that's how you do it.
But
Something like that.
At least I can scratch it off my bucket list. Ate some food, some chopsticks. God damn it. Alright, well, it's time to...
Oh.
No, how?
We're gonna do this.
Hold it, you'll get the chopstick and you hold it in together. Yum, yum. Also, if that shit ain't spicy enough, for me, I have some Molina's ghost pepper sauce. I used to know how to do this chopstick thing, but it's giving me a little problem.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, I got it. See that?
Good. Very good noodle on chopstick.
It is good. Ooh,
Yum, yum. So, not too bad. We're trying Japanese noodles with the Japanese chopsticks and the Daniel-san headband.
It's kind of spicy. It's
Super.
really good though. Took a little while to prepare though, but
Dogs are getting all riled up again.
wow.
Alright, so this chopstick thing is a pain in the ass.
Yes, it is. Trying to figure this out.
But it makes it interesting.
Harder to work with.
Friggin' awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for requesting this, whoever did. Oh, I don't think anyone did, but still.
Yeah. No, that doesn't seem right.
Two hour be finished. 2 hour.
These are hard to use.
These are hard to use.
Ooh, there we go. I think I got the technique down.
I've been waiting for this challenge so I could eat them, but yeah, it's spicy.
I just got like a whole bunch of spice right there in that bite.
Now these noodles, they seem a little bit bigger. The package seems bigger. Chopsticks are a pain in my ass.
As you guys know, I'm not that good with spicy, but he's way better than me with spice, so I'm doing my best.
Yep. And we're using the same bowl for all those people that are wondering. My boy.
Oh. Why, is this not hot to you, Dad?
No, it's a little spicy. Little spicy, but very, very, very good.
No, it is good. Whew. It would be good with like a side glass of milk and...
Yeah, you got some side glasses of something around there.
Yeah.
Yum, yum. Look at noodle. Noodle.
think I'm starting to get the hang of this chopstick thing.
Yeah, me too, but...
Whew. Whew.
Oh yeah, that's blah.
Okay, that was the thing. There it is. Here's all the spice. Feels like the deeper you go into the noodles, the more you get all the spicy stuff. Ooh.
Drop the piece. See if I can pick this shit up with my chopstick.
Wow.
Noodle. All right. Well, this is very good. Super hot. Don't need the ghost pepper sauce.
No, it does not.
For now, we're gonna stop here. I think we're pretty full from this, and we'll catch you guys very, very soon. So if you like this video, smash that like button. If you like seeing us stuff our friggin' faces.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe. What's up, DNA Nation? We decided we wanted to come back. The phone was dying a little bit there.
Yo.
The camera. But we're back for a little bit more of the noodles. Now, we didn't eat that much. I'm going American made now because I need to stuff this shit in my mouth. The chopsticks, they just don't cut it for me. The chopsticks.
I'm gonna keep on using the chopsticks.
See that? Oh, how about?
Oh, look at that.
So much better. Yeah. Now it is pretty spicy soup.
Yeah.
It's very good. Nothing I don't think I could live on, but I'd try. Just dog this shit down. The taste is there. What? Godzilla! Go, go, Godzilla!
Ooh, look at that.
Right here. The best movie ever made, Return of the Living Dead. That's my favorite movie ever of all time. Went to a horror hound one time, met everyone from the set that was alive. Even Ernie.
Was the Mohawk dude still?
No, he wasn't. He died.
No?
He passed away in '96.
Oh.
But these are super delicious.
They are.
2 packs would probably just do it. 1 pack will probably be good.
Yeah.
A little bit spicy.
You eating faster than I am.
Hell yeah. Shit is good.
And more. Ooh. Pretty spicy.
Pretty good shit, man.
Whew.
Definitely cleans out your sinuses. This is a soup, you don't need to add hot sauce. If you're anything like me, a hot sauce fanatic, I add hot sauce to everything. Don't need to with this shit.
Whew.
That'd be funny. Get like 1,000 videos of watchers of us eating this shit, huh?
Imagine viewers.
There we go. Look at that.
Mouth burn yet?
Mm-hmm.
Mine is. Sometimes you could just take a bite of this and it's like, oh, it's not that spicy sometimes. But then some other times it's just like, burns your mouth right up.
My nose is running.
Whew, mine's starting to.
So maybe I'll save that ghost pepper sauce for another challenge. Or prank. Or whatever.
Got a good bite size right there.
You guys let me know if you enjoyed me pranking him on that prank video.
Whew.
Good, good, good. Yum. This video is super good and super boring. We're gonna liven these videos up pretty soon from now on by doing something stupid at the end of them.
Yeah.
In the next video.
So make sure you watch till the end. Ooh.
I haven't got my little gadgets yet.
Okay.
I had to take off my karate band, my white belt, off my head just so I could wipe my damn nose. Daniel-san and Mr. Miyagi.
I think that's how you do it.
Yep.
Ah.
All right. Well, super hot.
Yep.
I mean, you know, not burn your mouth out, but enough to clean your nostrils out.
Nothing like the ghost pepper or, for example, the bomb hot sauce, which was a prank, by the way. Very hot, but...
Yes, it was. We appreciate you guys watching.
Yep.
If you like us, that's great. Keep watching. If you don't, fuck off. I don't care.
So, Dad, on a scale, 1 through 10, how hot do you think this was?
5, maybe. I didn't think it was super... It's spicy and it's clearing my nose out, but...
Yeah. No.
Whoa, excuse you, bud.
Me?
Oh.
Whew.
Went
Yeah.
down kind of slow. It came back up just to say hello.
Yes, we're good. I recommend this.
Yep.
Probably not going to eat this again, but a good experience.
I like it. Look
Never-
at that. Yum.
Never had ramen noodles with chopsticks before, so.
I'm going to turn the Naruto pretty soon here.
Naruto.
Alright. Well. That was a nice, drawn out, long and boring video of us eating noodles.
Yep.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And we'll be seeing you guys soon.
Yes, we will. Bye.